Painting Plastics with Acrylics, a complete guide.
Hello there. Today, we are going to delve into the world of painting and specifically focus on a question that might be bugging many of you out there. Do I need to prep the plastic surface before painting with acrylics? The short answer is yes, you do, and I'm here to guide you through the why and how of it all.
Why do we need to prep plastic?
Plastic surfaces are smooth and non-porous, which makes it difficult for paint to adhere well. Prepping the plastic creates a surface to which the paint can stick better. If you skip the prepping step, your paint might peel off, chip, or not apply evenly, which you definitely don't want.
What materials do I need?
For this process, you'll need a few items. Sandpaper, 220 to 400 grit is good. Soap and water, a soft cloth, primer suitable for plastics, acrylic paints, sealant, optional. Remember, safety first. It's always a good idea to work in a well-ventilated area and consider using protective gloves and goggles, especially when sanding and applying primer.
How to prep plastic for acrylic painting.
Step 1. Cleaning. Start by cleaning the plastic item thoroughly. Use soap and warm water, scrub the surface clean, and then dry it with a soft cloth. This will remove any dirt, grease, or grime that could interfere with the painting process. Step 2. Sanding. Next, gently sand the surface using your sandpaper. This creates micro-abrasions on the plastic surface, giving the paint something to grip onto. After sanding, wipe away any dust with a clean, dry cloth. Step 3. Applying primer. Apply a coat of primer suitable for plastic surfaces. This step is crucial because primer creates a better bonding surface for the paint. Allow the primer to dry completely before proceeding to the painting stage.
How to paint and finish.
Once your surface is dry, it's time to apply your acrylic paint. Apply thin, even layers and let each layer dry before applying the next. Once you're satisfied with your painting, you can apply a sealant. This step is optional, but it can help to protect your painting from scratches, dust, and UV light. And there you have it. Now you know why and how to prep a plastic surface before painting it with acrylics. We hope this guide helps you in your future painting endeavors, and remember, preparation is key to achieving great results. Happy painting!